Today we're going to talk about installing the Ford Fiesta and Fiesta ST Rally Roll Cage Kits. So back here you want to clear out all of your seam sealer so that your box can be clear of seam sealer or contaminants that are going to come in. You can see it's parallel there with the door sill. Get it back into place, and you may need to weld or hammer this in to weld that fully in. Do not weld these just yet. Looking in the back here, another landing location. The OE mount is clear on this side. This bracket here does not get in the way. On this side, you have the bracket that's sort of in the way, so you're going to need to clear just a little bit of space or just completely remove this bracket here in order to be able to weld the vertical landing for the down tubes and the up tubes. In the front corners of the car, you have these brackets here, these factory supports. You want to cut and notch a section out of them for our strut tower supports. Tack weld the main hoop, the base plate, in spots where you're able to cut them. First, you want to take your main hoop, put it in place, make sure your front and rear of the hoop, you're on the right side. Should be a little sort of leaned back, so that should give you an indication of which way the main hoop should sit. Then you want to take your down tubes here and your up tubes here, and you want to look for the etching marks up on the main hoop to match them up with there, and the down there on the main hoop as well. And then there should be an etching mark here on the down tube for the intersection of this. And you just want to tack everything in to sort of locate everything. We're going to do this side next and make sure that we've got the main hoop square with the towers. So another thing to note before installing the roof X or any of the front structure, half lats, etc., you should remove this section of the factory roof, because basically we're butted right up against that, and then we are not in place here. So we need to remove this out before this main X for the roof can get into place. This is what the factory B-pillar looks like. This is what you will need to do in order to fit the lower door bar, not the sill bar. You can see the sill bar is already in place at the moment, but to fit the lower door bar, you're going to have to either notch or completely remove that section of B-pillar. This is the lower door bar getting kicked into place.
That one is supposed to be up.
Oh, tack broke there. Got it. So
on this upper door bar, you'll see FIA bar notches here and here. That indicates the front of the upper door bar, and there are accompanying notches on the half flat and the hoop to show you where it's supposed to land. Just like that.
if you like what you see, like, share, subscribe. I think that's what they say. And if you can, comment. We'd love to interact with our fans, our customers. You know, it's pouring outside. But yeah, hit the like button, hit the share, subscribe, get it to your friends. Let's get this stuff around.